Hey guys, RJ here with Happy Daze RV out of Sacramento, California. We are here to take a peek at the new 2021 Solitude 390RK-R. Just so happens a customer already bought this unit. We've gone ahead and installed 4 370 watt LG solar panels, 2 3000 watt Victron inverters, as well as 6 Battleborn lithium batteries and a center point airbag equalization system for the suspension. Let's go take a peek. So as you can tell, I am now sitting inside of the massive compartment, and we did a little specialty work. We have installed 2 Victron 3000 watt inverters and 6 Battleborn batteries. This system is capable of running 2 air conditioners at the same time with no generator. Went ahead and put in that center point Trailair equalizer with the airbag. One huge thing with this model is the storage. This thing has more storage than I would know what to do with. Full access all the way around, and this handy slide tray. Alright, now you've seen it. This customer, probably never going to have to hook up. Boondocking, not an issue. And he's going to have tons and tons of fun on the road. Hope you guys do too. See ya.